How to log into Crunchyroll. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy guide on how you are easily able to sign into Crunchyroll. If you guys didn't know, Crunchyroll is an anime website where you are able to watch different kind of animes and shows. So the first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and search for crunchyroll.com. And once you have done that, you will be directly taken to this web page. Now all you need to do here is on the top right, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it on the account menu. So if you already have an account, you can just simply log in from here. And if you're new, you can create an account. So if you already have an account, click on login. So you'll have to authorize from here. Now on this login portal, you'll have to provide your email address. And once you have entered your email address, just make sure to enter your password. Make sure that it's correct. And once you have entered your correct password, make sure to log in right here. And in case if you've forgotten your password, go ahead and click on Forgot Password, and you will be sent a password reset link on your email. And from there, you can easily reset your password and enjoy your animes. I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.